Good morning, class.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, so before we start, okay, this time now, let's have a prayer first. Okay, now, someone can lead a prayer.
Me, ma'am. Amen.
All right. Okay, this time now, good morning, class. How are you this morning?
We're fine. Fine, ma'am.
Okay. All right, very nice to hear that you're fine. Okay, this time, class. Okay, now before we go further, okay, this time now, let's have to read our classroom rules. Okay. All right. Okay, this time now, someone can read our classroom rules.
Me, ma'am. I volunteer.
Okay.
Classroom rules. Be ready to learn. Listen and follow directions. Be kind and cooperative. Raise a hand for concerns. And work hard and have
Okay,
fun.
very good. Okay, this time, class, now can we attend these classroom rules? Yes or no? Okay, very nice to
Yes.
hear that. Okay, this time now, okay, I want to you to have your group. Okay, this time now, all right, now this will be the group 1, the group 2 and the group 3. Okay? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, every group, okay, now, all right, we have here an incentive chart. Okay, now let's take a look at here. Okay, this time now, here's our incentive chart. Okay, this time now, the group will be participate more, okay, and can gain more points. Okay, and this time now, the group will gain more points. Okay, she'll be the winner for this group activity. Did you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice to hear that. Okay, this time now, let's proceed here. Let's go back here. All right. Okay, let's have a review of our all right past lesson. Okay, now class, do you remember your past lesson? What is all about? Mm-hmm. Anyone can
Yes.
volunteer. What is it? Is all about? Now it's all about information. Okay. All right, now class. Okay, now if we say information now, all right, what comes to your mind? What is it? Okay, all right. This time now, when we say about information class, it is the what is that? It's the knowledge, facts, or data acquired through experience, study, or communicated. All right? Okay, and also class, all right, now information, okay, it's
Yes.
the facts, data that is received or processed. Okay, that's all right, the meaning of information. Okay, did you understand? All
Yes,
right, very
ma'am.
good. Okay, this time now let's go on here to our first activity. Okay, now class, now for our first activity now, all right, look at this one. Okay, it's time to you to analyze the picture flash on the screen. Okay, now, all right, it's time to you to identify the pictures here. All right, now, which of the picture here, which consists of fact and bluff. All right, now, anyone? Okay, look at here. Okay, now look at the picture here. Okay,
Mm.
now which of the picture
I
here that consists fact or bluff? All right, anyone can answer from the class.
Me, ma'am.
Okay.
I think the picture is the real life animal, which is the zebra, and the bluff
Mm-hmm.
is these two frogs that is
Okay, very
dancing.
good. Good job. Very good. Good job. That's it. All right. Okay, this time now the picture number one it consists okay. What is it again? It consists of bluff.
A
Okay,
bluff.
very good. It's a bluff. Okay, now because the dancing frogs, it's impossible, right?
It's
Okay, very good.
yes,
Okay,
not it's
good
not real.
job. All right, and here in the picture number two, okay, the zebra eating grass, it consists of the fact. Okay, All right. Okay, now let's go on here to the
All
next
right.
one.
Okay, now let's go
Okay,
on
this
here to
time
the
now,
next
let's
one.
go on here.
Okay,
Okay,
this
and
time
now,
now,
all
let's go
right,
on here.
someone
Okay,
can
and
read,
now,
okay, of
all right,
our,
someone can
okay,
read, okay,
lesson
our,
adjectives. Okay, now
okay,
anyone can read?
lesson adjectives. Okay, now anyone can read?
Me, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
At the end of the lesson, students can understand the meaning of relevance and truthfulness of ideas. Analyze text to determine relevance and truthfulness of ideas. Third is write a short paragraph highlights the relevance and truthfulness of
Okay, very
ideas.
good. Okay, this time, class, now
Okay,
can we
very
attend
good. Okay, this
or at
time, class,
those
now
lesson
can we
objectives we
attend
have
our
today?
those lesson objectives we have today?
Okay, very
Yes,
good. Okay, now
ma'am.
let's move on here
Okay,
to
very
our
good.
look
Okay,
at
now
this
let's move on
one.
here to our look at this one.
All
Mhm.
right. Okay, now.
All right. Okay, now.
Okay, now let's go on here. Okay, this time now look at
Okay, now
this
let's
one
go
here.
on here.
All right, in
Okay,
the
this
first
time now look at this
activity,
one here. All right, in the first activity,
your
all
group,
right,
okay,
these
now
two,
you can give
okay,
me some
with your group,
scenarios
okay,
or
now you can give
situation
me
that are
some
really happening
scenarios
in the
or
world today.
situation that are really
Okay,
happening
and
in the
also what
world
you
today.
have experienced.
Okay,
Okay, now
and also
someone
what
can
you
give
have
me some,
experienced. Okay,
okay,
now someone can
scenarios
give
or
me
situation you've
some,
already
okay,
experienced. What
scenarios
is
or
it?
situation you've already experienced. What is it?
Um, just like for example, taking an exam.
Okay, very
Mm,
good. Good
okay, very
job.
good.
All
Good
right, here are
job. All
some
right, here are
possible
some
answers,
possible
okay, for the
answers,
question
okay, for
here.
the
Okay,
question
now,
here.
all
Okay,
right, in
now,
the first
all right,
one,
in the
okay,
first
now
one,
what,
okay,
okay,
now what,
scenarios or
okay, scenarios
situation,
or
okay, we
situation, okay, we
sometimes, okay,
sometimes,
experience, it's all
okay,
about
experience,
poverty,
it's all
okay?
about
Poverty leads
poverty,
some children
okay,
can't
poverty
go to
leads some
school,
children
okay?
can't go to school, okay?
All right, okay, and about Heather here,
Yes.
All
okay,
right,
now
okay, and
believing a
Heather
random
here,
text
okay, now,
message
believing
that
a
you
random
some
text message
that you
that
want
you
some
send
money and you
that
click
you
the link
want some
and
money
it
and you
can
click
will
the link and
scam
it
you.
can will scam you.
All right.
Yes,
Okay,
All
and
ma'am.
this
right?
time the other
Okay,
one.
and
Okay,
this
now
time another
Philippines
one, okay,
suffer
now
oil
Philippines
price
suffer oil
hikes.
price
Okay, and
hikes. Okay,
all right,
and
we
all
observe
right, we
here. Okay,
observe
at the
here,
market.
okay, at the
Okay, this
market,
time
okay, this
now.
time
Okay, we
now,
suffers
okay, we
high
suffers
price of the
high
foods
price of the
and
food
also the
and
other
also
house
the
needs
other
there.
house there.
Yes, and
Okay,
corruption.
all
Okay,
right. Okay, and
all
also
right.
the
Okay, and also
corruption
the
too.
corruption
Okay.
too. Okay.
All right, that's the
Yes.
All right,
situation or
that's
the
the situation or
scenarios
the
that we
scenarios
can say
that
it's
we can
really
say it's
true, and
really
it we
true,
can see
and
it in
we
the
can see
real
it in the
life.
real life.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good.
Okay,
Okay, this
very
time
good.
now.
Okay, this
All
time
right.
now.
Okay, now let's
All
go on here
right.
to our
Okay, now let's
incentive
go on
chart
here to
and
our
let's
incentive
take a
chart.
look at here who right
Take a
now
look at
whose
here
group
for
got
right
more
now whose
points.
group got more
Okay,
points.
this time now the group
Okay, this
that
time now
gained.
the group
All right.
that
Okay, the
gained.
group three
All
can
right. Okay,
gain
got
three
group 3
points.
that gain
Okay,
3
and the group
points.
two here
Okay, and
gain
the
one
group 2
point.
here
Okay, very good
gain
class.
1
Thank you
point.
for
Okay,
your
very good class. Thank you
participation.
for
Okay,
your
now let's go on
participation.
first.
Okay, now let's go
Okay,
on
now let's go
first.
on here to
Okay,
the
now
next
let's go on
one.
here to the next one.
Okay, here this time now
Okay,
we
here
have
this time
here.
now
Okay, look at
we
the
have
screen.
here. Okay,
Okay, now
look
what
at the
we're going
screen.
to do is you
Okay, now we're
have
going to
to
do is
read and
have
analyze
to
the article
read
here.
and analyze the article
Okay,
here.
now I have here a
Okay, now
selection,
I
and
have
all
here a
you
selection
have
and
to
all
do
you have
is
to
to
do
read and
is to
analyze the
read and
text. Okay,
analyze
now
the
look at
text.
this
Okay,
one. All
now
right,
look
now
at
look
this
at the
one. Alright,
text
now look
here.
at the
Okay,
text here.
all right,
Okay?
now to
Alright,
know
now
the
to know
questions
the
here after
questions
you read
here
it,
after you
now
read
you
it,
can
now
open
you
the
can
link here.
open
Okay,
the
in the
link here, okay, in
weground.com, and you can
reground.com
answer
and you can answer
your all
your
right part here.
alright
Okay.
part here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now class, you
Alright,
have
now
three
plus you
minutes
have
to
three
do
minutes
and
to do
finish
and
the
finish
questions
the
to
questions
answer.
to
Okay.
answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, are you done,
Alright, are you
class?
done,
Okay,
class?
I see your
Okay, I
answer.
see your
Okay.
answer, okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, this
Alright,
time
okay, this
now.
time
All
now.
right, let's go on to
Alright,
the
let's go
next
on
one.
to
But
the
before
next one.
that,
But
okay, now
before
let's
that,
have
okay,
a
now let's
review
have
to
a
your
review to your
answers. Okay, this
answers.
time
Okay,
now is
this
the
time
message of
now
the
is the
selection
message of the
emphasize
selection
truthfulness?
emphasize
Yes
truthfulness?
or no?
Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, okay, this
Alright,
time,
okay,
class,
this
now
time
look at the
class. Now
message
look
here
at the
of
message here
the
of
selection.
the
It's all
selection.
right, the
It's
message of the
alright. The
selection
message
here
of the
does not
selection here does
emphasize
not emphasize
truthfulness, okay?
truthfulness, okay?
But the message is
But the message
relevant
is
to the topic,
relevant
which
to the
talk
topic,
about
which talk
health
about
issues.
health issues.
All right?
Alright?
Okay, this
Yes,
time
Okay,
now,
ma'am.
this
okay,
time
you've
now,
write
okay,
down
you
the
write
statement that is
down the
not true.
statement that is not
Example,
true.
okay, now
Example,
drinking
okay,
cold
now
water
drinking
turns
cold
into
water
mucus
turns into
inside your
mucus
body and blocks your
inside your
lungs.
body
Okay,
and
that's
blocks
not
your
true.
lungs.
Okay,
Okay, that's
all right,
not
and
true.
also now
Okay?
how
Alright,
health
and also
experts
now how
advise everyone to
health
drink
experts
only
advise
boiling
everyone to
water,
drink
hot
only
water every
boiling
day.
water,
Okay,
hot
that it
water every
consists
day.
to
Okay? That it
not true
consists to
situation.
not true
All right. Okay.
situation.
And the next one. Okay. Here. All right.
Alright,
Now,
okay,
health
and the next
experts
one. Okay,
said that
here,
if you drink
alright, now health
anything cold,
experts
you
said
will
that
be
if you drink
hospitalized right
anything cold,
away.
you will be hospitalized right away.
All right. Okay. This time here. All right. Now,
Alright,
class.
okay,
Okay. Now,
this
what are
time
the
here,
possible problems
alright,
if
now
we
class, okay, now
easily
what are the
believe what
possible
we see?
problems
Okay.
if
This
we
time now we
easily
can
believe
gather
what
wrong
we see? Okay,
information.
this time now we
Okay. Now
can
we
gather
can
wrong
spread fake
information.
news and
Okay,
also
now
we
we can
can
spread
do
fake
things that
news
makes
and also
ourselves
we
into
can
harm.
do things that makes ourselves into harm.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, now
Okay?
let's go on to the next. Okay,
Alright,
this
okay, now let's
time
go on to
now,
the
look
next.
at this one
Okay, this
here.
time now, look at this one
Okay, this
here.
time now, our topic
Okay,
for
this
this
time now our
day
topic
class,
for
it's all
this
about the
day class
relevance
is
and
all about the
truthfulness of
relevance
the
and
ideas.
truthfulness of the ideas.
Okay? All right,
Okay?
now class, if we
Alright, now
say
class,
about
if we say
relevance
about
and
relevance
truthfulness
and
of the ideas,
truthfulness of
okay,
the
now
ideas,
let's
okay
go on
now,
first to
let's
the
go on first
relevance,
to the
okay?
relevance,
Now,
okay?
relevance is
Now
the
relevance
concept
is the
of topic
concept
being
of topic
connected
being
in a way
connected in a
that,
way
what is
that,
it?
what is that?
Okay, can you read
Makes
it?
Okay,
it
can you
Continue,
read it?
class.
Continue class.
that makes it useful to consider and understand the information is connected or applicable to the topic or situation. It answers
Mm-hmm.
our questions and provides useful insights. And information is relevant when it helps you to answer the question.
Very good. Okay, now
Very
when we
good.
say
Okay,
about
now when we say
truthfulness,
about
what does it
truthfulness, what
mean?
does it mean?
It means that the information is accurate, factual, and based on reliable sources, and it's also based on facts, evidence, and what things we see in reality that we can relate ourselves. To prove things
Okay.
of what we see and watch online or offline, we need to check the accuracy of the source.
Okay, very good.
Okay,
Good
very good.
job. All
Good
right. It's
job. Alright,
really
it's
important
really
that we need to
important that we
check the
need to check
accuracy of
the
the source.
accuracy of
Okay,
the
if
source.
we
Okay,
see
if
some
we see
information,
some
if we
information,
read
if we
information
read
online, of
information
either
online, of either
offline, okay?
offline, okay?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Okay, this time
Alright, okay,
class
this
now. Okay,
time
how
class
to
now. Okay, how to
determine if an
determine
idea
if
is
an
truthful.
idea is
Okay, in the
truthful.
first
Okay,
one,
the
you
first
need to
one,
confirm
you
the
need to
real
confirm the real
reliability of the
reliability
source.
of the source.
Okay, and the
Okay,
next is
and the
you
next
check the
check the
credibility of the
credibility
author
of the
or
author or
organization.
organization.
Okay, and the next
Okay,
one,
and
you
the
need
next
to
one, you
verify
need
the
to
source
verify
and
the
author's
source and author's
credibility.
credibility.
Okay, and the last one
Okay,
on
and the
how
last one on
to
how to
determine if an idea
determine
is
if an
truthful is
idea is
you need to
truthful is
look
you
for
need to
facts,
look for
not
facts, not
opinions.
opinions.
Okay?
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, this time now
Alright.
when we
Okay, this
say
time
about
now when we say
relevant
about
and truthful
relevant and
information,
truthful
it
information, it
enables what is it?
enables
Can you
what is
read
that?
it,
Can you read
class?
it, class?
It enables a person to safeguard themselves from spreading fake news and lies from different material presented online. It is
Mm-hmm.
important to
Very
spot the
good.
Very
relevance
good.
and truthfulness of the ideas presented in the material viewed in order to know what to believe or not, and not just be misled with random information present.
Okay, very good.
Okay,
Good
very
job.
good.
Okay,
Good
this time
job.
to
Okay,
measure
this
the
time to make
relevant
sure
and
the
truthful
relevant and
information,
truthful
okay,
information.
we need
Okay,
to
we need
ensure
to
that the
ensure that the
information, okay, we
information,
read,
okay,
it's
we
really
read, it's
accurate.
really
Okay, it's
accurate. Okay, it's
from the
from the real
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 sources.
sources.
Okay, now
Yes.
and
Okay,
if we
now
read
and
some
if we read
selection,
some
okay, if we
selection,
read some
okay, if we
information,
read some
we need
information,
to make
we
sure
need
that
to
it's
make sure that it's
relevant to the
relevant
topic.
to the
Okay.
topic. Okay?
Yes,
All right, now
ma'am.
look at here
Alright, now
some
look at here
examples,
some examples,
class. Okay, now how
class.
about
Okay,
here?
now how about
Okay, this
here?
time in the
Okay, this
first
time
one,
the
look
first
at
one,
here.
look at
Okay, the
here.
topic is
Okay, the topic is
benefits of
benefits of
regular
regular
exercise. Okay, in the first
exercise. Okay, in
statement,
the
what
first statement,
does
what
it say?
does it say?
Many people like to wear. To wear sneakers when exercising.
Okay, very good. And the second one, exercise strengthens the immune system. Okay, this time now, which of the statement here, it's relevant to the topic that is benefits of regular exercise. What is it?
It's the statement number 2.
Okay, very good. Good job. All right, this time now, exercise strengthens the immune system. It's relevant to the topic benefits of regular exercise. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, now let's go on here to the second topic. Okay, let's talk about healthy lifestyle. Okay, now when we say about healthy lifestyle, okay, now in the first one, okay, can you read it?
Eating vegetable provides essential nutrients.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how
Second
about the
is
next?
wearing a red shirt curses diseases.
Okay, very good. Okay, this time class. Now, which of the statement here? All right, it's relevant to the topic, which is healthy lifestyle.
It's the first statement.
Okay, very good. Okay, it's eating vegetables provides essential nutrients. Okay, it's relevant to the healthy lifestyle. Is it true that, okay, now eating vegetables provides essential nutrients in our body? Is
Yes.
it true? Okay, very good. It's consists truthfulness of the topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This time, class, now did you understand our discussion about okay, the relevant and truthfulness of our topic? Okay,
Yes,
very good. Okay,
ma'am.
now, all right, let's go on here to the next. Okay, this time now here, all right, in your group, okay, now what you're going to do is you need to write a short paragraph about a video you have watched. Okay, and this time now
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
discuss the relevant and truthfulness of the news play in the video. And you can go on here, okay, in the mentormethod.com so that you can answer some questions here.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
All right. This time now let's play the video here. Look at this one. All right. Okay, this time now, class. Okay, now let's go on here. Okay, this time now you have 4 minutes to do your activity. Okay, now I want every group will participate more. Okay,
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
can scan the QR code here or you can visit the link here. Okay, look at the rubrics here now while doing your activity now. It based the rubrics here. Okay, kindly read with it with your eyes and okay, continue your work. Okay, are you done, class?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very nice to hear that. Okay, this time now, let's go on here to your assessment. Okay, this time now for your assessment is to, you need to write a short paragraph about the topic you have selected and highlights the relevance and truthfulness of ideas.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and you can submit it, okay, in this QR code here. You can, all right, scan it, and also you can, all right, you can click the link here. You can visit the link. All right, okay, you have the two choices. Okay, now scan the QR code or you can visit the link. Okay, this time now you
Okay.
have 3 minutes to do your assessment. Okay, are you done, class?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, this time class now. All right, section paper about of our lesson for today. Okay, now any questions, any clarifications of our lesson for this day?
None, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, this time now let's go on here. All right, and okay, now, all right, class, it's already time. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you for your participation and goodbye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.